Now in this video, we will see how to find out the time. For example, it is asking here, what time will it be? 5 hours 20 minutes after 10:30 am. Here, first of all, it should be very clear that after means addition of time segment. So here, you have to find out the time, that is 5 hours 20 minutes after 10:30 am. That means 10:30 am plus this 5 hours 20 minutes. So first of all, we will convert this 10:30 am into 24-hour clock time to find out how many hours and how many minutes. As it is am, therefore in 24-hour clock time it will be 10:30. That means 10 hours 30 minutes. So this 10 hours 30 minutes plus this 5 hours 20 minutes. So when we get the addition sum, we are getting here 15 hours 50 minutes. 1550. That means 15 hours 50 minutes. So now this 15 hour 50 minutes, we need to convert it in 12-hour clock system. As it is more than 12, the first two digit indicate hour segment, and it is 15, it is more than 12. That means we have to subtract 12 hours from this 15. So it is now 3.50, and it belongs to the, as it is more than 12 means it belongs to the second segment of time. Therefore, the time will be 3:50 p.m. In this way, you have to calculate the time. Look at another example. Here it is asking in example number 2, 50 minutes before 5:05 am. So here it is asking before. Before means minus. So first of all, 5:05 am. When we convert it in 24-hour clock time, it will be represented as 0505 hours. So that means from this 0505 hours, we have to subtract 50 minutes. So 05 belongs to the hour segment and this 05 belongs to the minute segment. So when we subtract, we have to subtract this 50 minute from this 05 minute. So we need to borrow 1 hour. When we borrow 1 hour from this 05 hour, it will be now 04 hours. And as we are giving 1 hour to this minute segment and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, therefore that 60 minutes plus this 5 minutes, it will be now 65 minutes. So from this 65 minutes, we have to subtract this 50 minutes. After subtraction, we are getting 15 minutes. And 4 hours will be written here. So what we are getting? After subtracting this 50 minutes, we are getting 415 hours. That means 0415 hours. And when we convert it in 24-hour clock time, it will be 4.15 and the am. That means it belongs to the first segment of time. In this way, we can find out the time. It will be more clear when we see one more example. Look at here. Here it is 4 hours 20 minutes after 8 p.m. Again, after means addition. So we have to add this 4 hours 20 minutes with this 8 p.m. So first of all, 8 p.m. is equal to p.m. means second segment. So we have to add 12 hours with this 8. So we are getting 20. So 2000 hours. As there is no minute, therefore 2000 hours. That means 20 hours 00 minute. Okay. Now we have to add this 4 hours 20 minutes with this 20 hours 00 minute. So when we add, we are getting here 20 in this minute segment and here it is 24. So 24:20. That means this 24:20 hours after 2400 means 12 midnight. We already have discussed about it. So 2420 hours means it is 20 minutes past 12 midnight. So the time will be represented as 0020 hours. So 0020 hours means either we can write it 12:20 am or it is 0:20 am. In this way, we can find out the time. Okay. Now, one question can be asked in this way, how many minutes pass between? Here in this question, you no need to find out the time. Here you have to find out the duration of the time. Okay. Here, the starting time is given and closing time is given. You have to find out the duration. Question is quarter past 6 and 10 minutes to 7. You have to calculate the minute passed between these two time. To find out the duration between these two time, we need to convert these two time in figure first of all. So quarter past 6, it is in figure 6:15. And 10 minutes to 7, in figure it is 6:50. So we have to find out the time duration between 6:50 and 6:15. So it is 35 minutes. Now look at another example about time duration. In this question it is asking Deepak's school start at 7:45 am and closes at 2:15 pm. How long does the school work? Here the starting time of the school given and the closing time of the school given and the duration of the school you need to find out. So duration of the school means closing time minus starting time, and closing time is given 2:15 pm. And this 2:15 pm in 24-hour clock system, when we convert, it will be 1415 hours. That means 14 hours 15 minutes. Okay. And starting time is given 7:45 am. In 24-hour clock system, it will be 0745 hours. That means 7 hours 45 minutes. So to find out the duration, we need to subtract the 7 hour 45 minute from this 14 hour 15 minute. So 14 hour 15 minute minus this 7 hour 45 minute. Okay. Look at here. It is arranged in the column form. So we have to subtract this 45 minute from this 15 minute. To subtract 45 minute, we need to borrow 1 hour. When we borrow 1 hour from this 14 hours, it will be now 13 hours. Okay. And as we are giving 1 hour to this minute segment, so that means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And this 60 minute plus this 15 minute is equal to 75 minutes. So we need to cut it and we have to write 75 here. I think it is clear to you. We are borrowing 1 hour and giving to this minute segment. Therefore, we have to add 60 minutes with this 15 minutes and it is 75 minutes. And from this 75 minutes, we have to subtract this 45 minutes and we are getting here 30 minutes. And 13 hour minus 7 hour is equal to 6 hour. So finally, we are getting 6 hours 30 minutes. So what is the duration of the school? The school works for 6 hours 30 minutes. Look at another example. Calculate the time. You have to calculate the time from 6:23 am to 3:07 pm of the same day. So time duration is equal to final time minus starting time. Here the final time is 3:07 pm and starting time is 6:23 am. So 6:23 am in 24-hour clock 0623 hours and 3:07 pm in 24-hour clock system it is 1507 hours. PM means 12 plus 3. So we are getting 15. So therefore the duration is equal to 15:07 minus 0623. Again 07 is lesser than 23, so we need to borrow 1 hour. 1 hour we are borrowing from this 15, so it will be now 14 and giving to this minute segment. So therefore 60 plus 7 is equal to 67. So we need to write 67 here and we have to subtract this 23 from this 67. Here we are getting 44 and 14 minus 6 we are getting 8. So finally we are getting it is 8 hour 44 minute. So what is the duration? The time duration is 8 hour 44 minutes. I think it is clear to you. That's all in this video.